Hiya, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple snow globe Christmas card using the lid of a Pringles or crisp tube or any kind of round clear lid. So to start off, you're going to need a blank card, and then I'm just going to cover this with some wintry paper, just a simple snowflake one. Then I'm going to get the lid and I'm going to cut out another piece of paper, different colour, and this is going to be the snow globe. You just want to carefully cut that out, and then you're going to need a bottom section as well, so there's more different paper, just using the lid as a guide to where it should be. Then cut out the bottom, and then we're just going to stick these on. So we'll just do that, just normal glue, nothing fancy. And then I'm just going to add some stickers in the middle for the centre of the snow globe, and we're nearly done. Like I say, this is a super easy way of doing this. So then I'm going to get some fake snow then, and just carefully pour some in the middle. You don't want too much. Then I'm going to put some glue around the outside of the lid, like the edge, and just stick that down. You want to push down and then put something on top of it until it dries, and then you're done. Simple as that. You're finished. So have fun making your own. Let me know if you make one of these, and see you in my next video. Bye!